Hello all. I consider ourselves very lucky to be associated with the Prabhu classes. Our son was not too fond of studies and we were really thinking as such like where should we put him for coaching. And then when we met Amay sir, we were quite happy with his mannerism and his way of talking, and we decided to put him here. Since he was not fond of studies, but Amay sir's constant support, guidance and motivation helped to rekindle his interest in studies, and he has been doing satisfactorily well. He has done quite well in the first JEE, and we know that he is going to do much better in his boards and his other entrance exams. And the other teachers also who are there in these classes, they also have been doing their part very well. They have been showing personal interest in the students' affairs and they have been guiding them well. And at the same time, there is another important aspect, that is the time. The classes, they have made very precise utilization of the time. We have not felt that there is any time wastage which is done in all these years, this last year. They have also finished the portion so well in time, and they have given enough time for the children to complete their studies. Although our son was coming all the way from Sakri, but still we didn't feel that there was some overwork or overtime used. So we were very happy with the classes, and I highly recommend that students should join these Prabhu classes and take the advantage of the teachers and their guidance. I wish Prabhu classes all the success in their endeavor, and I wish them success to make the children, the future generation also successful through their efforts. Thank you.